Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here, back with another break. Today I'm going to be doing a hobby box, the brand new 2014 Topps Allen and Ginter. A lot of neat inclusions in this year's. 24 packs, 8 cards per pack. And they have some odds there for box loaders. Alright, let's get to it. 2014, Allen and Ginter. Move this down. And here's the box loader. Let's see what that is first. Oh, that's sweet looking. Andrew McCutcheon. That is really cool looking. That is cool. Andrew McCutcheon box loader. That's sweet. Alright, on to the packs. Pack number 1. Clayton Kershaw, that's a nice design. Eric Hosmer, Tom Glavine, Bob Feller, Pastimes. That's a sweet looking insert. Jordan Zimmerman. That's a cool looking insert. Mike Mussina, mini. Fergie Jenkins and Pedro Martinez. I think the Mussina might be a short print. Not sure. I'll have to compare the code number to another mini. Justin Verlander, Alex Rodriguez, Randy Johnson. Newsworthy, Polar Vortex. 2/6. 2/3. That looks like a short print. Card 302. Insert. World's Capitals, Tokyo, Japan. Insert. Mini of Tommy Lasorda, that's an A&G back. Steve Delabar and Iron Sheik. Max Scherzer, Jose Fernandez, Will Clark, Joe Morgan, Ivan Nova, Festivals and Fairs insert, Koji Uehara, mini, regular mini, and Craig Biggio. And the Ivan Nova is a short print. Card 346. James Shields, Jean Segura, Jose Bautista, Evan Longoria, Michael Waka. Insert World's Capitals, Cairo, Egypt. Curtis Granderson, mini. And that is I think that's a short print mini. And Snoop. And Waka's a short print. And looks like there's a hit in this pack. Wilmer Flores, A&G back. Phelps, Shin Soo Chu, Felix Dubrant, Willie Mays, Steven Strasburg, Pastimes insert. And not sure what way it goes. Oh, that's pretty nice looking. Jean Segura relic. I like that design. Nice design. Any short prints? No short prints. And another hit. Oh, there's another hit in here. Mike Napoli, mini. Robles, Fonzo Soriano, Freese, Brad Miller, Jose Reyes, insert, and the next hit is going to be Matt Moore. Too bad he's out on Tommy John surgery. Matt Moore relic. Oh, 2 relics. Hope we don't get a 3rd relic. Hope we get an autograph or a rip card. Nice design though. Different design than the Segura. Dominic Brown, Patrick Corbin, R.A. Dickey, Adrian Beltre, Pastimes insert of Jared Weaver. And this might be a, what kind of mini is that? Do you want to answer that? Oh, Tanaka rookie. Kang. Daniel Kang. Golfer. Not a short print. And that's not a short print. I'm not sure what kind of mini that is. Might be a black border. Black border mini. Matt Davidson. Evan Gaddis, Cole Hamels, Holiday, Harmon Killebrew, insert. Air Supremacy, that's pretty neat. F-18 Hornet. Bill Rancic mini. Carpenter and Clemens. Harmon Killebrew's short print. Oh. David Wright, Nick Castellanos rookie, Garrett Cole, Chris Davis, Natural Wonder, Lake Retba, insert. Into the Unknown, Francisco Pizarro, mini, insert mini. Dale Murphy, and oh, look at that, Jose Abreu rookie. Oh, both the Chris Davis short print, both good rookies in this box. Except the back of the side. Tanaka might have some problems with his arm. Pedroia, Brian McCann, David Price, Carlos Beltran, Robinson Cano, Pastimes insert. Nope. Another black border mini. Andrew McCutcheon, black border mini. Dell Uehara, and a code card. Not gonna bother with the code. The same group of guys solves it every year, I think. Carl Crawford, Mike Trout, Erickson Profar, Juan Marichal, Jose Bautista, Pastime, insert, Jason Hayward, regular mini, Todd Ambrose, Julio Teheran, Colton Wong rookie, Madison Bumgarner, Sonny Gray, World Capitals, insert, Curtis Granderson, A and G back short print, Faust and Besser, Sonny Gray's a short print, D.D. Gregorius, Jay Bruce, Kyle Seager, Jason Worth, Air Supremacy insert. Oh, no way, there's a wood mini in here. Wow. B-17 Bomber insert and wood mini for the Braves. Oh, that's a sweet one. Wow. Fred McGriff. Oh, that's a 101. I didn't realize the woods were 101s. Hand numbered 101. Wow. 101 wood mini, Fred McGriff. That is sweet. Wow. That is cool. Hunt, come check this out. That is awesome looking. Look at that. 101 hand numbered. Wow. That is sweet. I'll take that, that's for sure. Awesome. Alex Avila and Jorge Posada. Wow. Another 101. Go figure. Jason Worth is a short print. Sweet. Oh, that's probably going to be the hit of the box right there. Never pulled a wood mini 101 before. And looks like the last hit's in here, and it looks like it's going to be a relic. So 3 relics for the hits, but did get the wood mini, so that's awesome. Isler, Andrews, Anthony Rizzo, Starling Marte, I think that's Justin Upton. Pastimes insert. And I guess we'll just have to, I don't want to see who it is, so make the mini fall out here. Predators, Honey Badger, World's Deadliest Predators. Insert mini. Where'd my stack go? Right there. Alright, and it's for the Yankees. Is it? No. No. What is that? Zito. I don't know who that is. Chuck Zito, actor. I've actually never heard of him. But that is a sweet looking, that is cool looking non-baseball hit. These usually sell pretty well. No, that's cool looking. I don't know who Chuck Zito is. Marissa, do you know who that is? No, me either. That's pretty sweet. I didn't go through that for short prints. Middlebrooks, Rod Carew, Jose Canseco, John Smoltz, another insert, Festivals and Fairs, Mardi Gras. Oh, Buffalo Bill. A&G back, mini. That's pretty sweet. And John Smoltz is a short print. Schefter, and Jennings. Oh, that's a no number. Why didn't they have a number on it? Desmond Jennings does not have a number. What's up with that? Is that a no number? Thought only the minis had no numbers. No number on that, Desmond Jennings. Huh. I'll have to look that up real quick. Wonder if that's a code thing. There's no number minis, which are... Actually, I'll just show you guys the odds real quick. I usually do that, forgot to. There we go. Well, the wood minis are 1 in 1,887 packs. I don't see anything about full size. I don't know. That's weird. Desmond Jennings doesn't have a number on it. Wonder if that's part of the code. Justin Masterson, Castro, Brooks Robinson, Nolan Ryan, Darryl Strawberry, Air Supremacy V22 Osprey, insert. Joe Morgan, regular mini. Mike Napoli, and the Strawberry is a short print. Still got a few packs to go here. Salvador Perez, Ramos Ramirez, Francisco Liriano, Mike Schmidt, Pastime Yu Darvish insert, and World's Deadliest Predators Hippopotamus Mini, Vladimir Guerrero, and John Sullivan. There's a mini on the front of the pack. That's weird. It's in the front. Shin-Soo Choo, I think that's a black border mini. Chris Sale, Salazar, Tim Lincecum, Iwakuma, R.A. Dickey Pastime insert, Clancy, and Klosterman. And Danny Salazar is a short print. 6 packs to go. Derek Jeter, Duke Snider, Tom Seaver, Brandon Phillips, World's Capitals, Rome, Italy, Deion Sanders, regular, Jonathan Scope, Orlando Hernandez, Brandon Phillips is a short print. Ton of short prints. And another code card. Robinson Cano, Jimmy Rollins, Pudge Rodriguez, Whitey Ford, Pastimes Harper, insert. And Where Nature Ends, Raphael, mini insert. Berto Clemente, Tim Raines, and another code card. Wherever that's going, right over there. Mark Trumbo, Juan Rosario, Matt Moore, Gio Gonzalez, pastime insert of Gio Gonzalez, Jim Palmer mini, regular, Andrelton Simmons, and Fred McGriff. Got the 101 mini of him. Justin Upton, Craig Kimbrell, Bo Jackson, Ralph Kiner, pastime insert of Beltran. I really like these. Be a neat set to complete. Madison Bumgarner A&G back mini. The stack's gotten a little crazy. Eddie Matthews and Kreischer. I don't know who that is. Comedian, actor. Never heard of him. 2 packs left. Cespedes, Tony Cingrani, Ernie Banks, Josh Donaldson. That's sweet. Air Supremacy, MiG-15. Russian plane, ain't it? Yep, Soviet Union. Ryan Howard Mini, regular. Carlton Fisk and Wagner. And the Donaldson's a short print. Oh, 357. Oh no, 337. And the last pack. Brett Gardner, Wilmer Flores rookie, Frank Robinson, Jim Palmer, Mike Musina. That's sweet. Air Supremacy F-22 Raptor insert. Larger Than Life, Paul Bunyan, mini. Oh, ending on a good note. That's a sweet card. And the last card of the break, George Kell. That's a sweet one. Tigers, Hall of Famer. And Musina is a short print. Musina. Alright. Stack of base. Ton of inserts. A lot of inserts. Ton of inserts. Minis. I think these are all the base minis. No, I think those are short print minis. Or not. I really don't know. Same code number. Uehara. Short prints. Ton of those. Tanaka and Abreu rookie cards. Save those for last. 3 black borders, Shin-Soo Choo, Andrew McCutcheon, and Matt Davidson rookie. I think these are the A&G backs. Tommy Lasorda, Wilmer Flores, Curtis Granderson, Buffalo Bill, Madison Bumgarner, all A&G backs. The mini inserts. Not sure on the odds on any of these. I'm sure that some are more short printed than others. Larger Than Life Paul Bunyan, Where Nature Ends, Raphael. 2 of the World's Deadliest Predators, Hippopotamus and Honey Badger. And Into the Unknown, Pizarro. 2 code cards. Actually, I think they're just the same. They're just advertisements, I think. And not sure what's up with this, but Desmond Jennings with no number on it. That's interesting. Got 3 relics for the hits. Chuck Zito, actor. Sweet looking swatch. Matt Moore, relic. Gene Segura, relic. And the awesome Fred McGriff Wood Mini 1 of 1. Hand numbered. So that is sweet. Definitely the head of the break. It looks like it's in really, really good condition too. And that is sweet. Yeah, it feels textured. That's cool. I'd say that was a pretty good break. Definitely. Well, I don't know much about the Chuck Zito, so I'm not sure how good that is or not. But definitely card of the break right there. Hope you guys enjoyed the break. I know I did. But stay tuned for my next break. Thanks for watching, everyone.